Hello everybody, welcome to a brand new tutorial video. So recently I made this and uploaded on Instagram. Looks like some of you really liked it. Infinite Color Panel did like my picture and also commented. So whenever I use this UFO, ICP happens to comment on my video. So why not make a tutorial? But wait, if you watch my videos regularly, like from the beginning, and you are not subscribed yet, that's the universe telling you that you need to subscribe. Okay. Do it. It doesn't even take a second. That is just me using a stereo Indian accent, so don't mind it. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Now at first I start the selection and I used the lasso tool for this. Corrected it and duplicated the layer. This will be my background layer, so I transformed it and removed the unwanted area. Therefore, skies.
Did the world wake up on the wrong side of bed? CPR to the red hot pounding head. I'm surprised.
Added another sky. Oof, that was easy.
We should all be dead and buried with the damage we've done. 10 p.m. rolls around, it's the same old tale. A shooting here in the fall.
Another sky. Wow, very easy. Added this dinosaur, removed this sticker, and then I added Jupiter, Earth, I guess a deadly star you can see. Then I color corrected the base image and it looks original.
Sometimes it feels like wonder if my soul.
Gave some shadows to the dinosaur and it is looking fantastic.
Populated in the middle of the night. Was it all some sort of bad dream? That's when I seen it in the sky. Picture perfect, illuminated fusions and revolutions hit the constructs of my eye. What a scene, what a sight.
Added an astronaut, gave some shadows and
couldn't see it coming, yeah, you nearly lost conscience of your.
Also rocket cause it matches and I did some few tweaks.
You couldn't see it coming, you were heading in reverse down the wrong road.
Then change the blend mode to linear dots so it give it a chef kiss.
Right, more than you can chew, yeah, you took that bite. Roaming in the hills
and now shadows on the base rock, also some shadows on the rock. Added the UFO, removed sticker of course, and give it a little exposure. Added some shadows, also more shadows, now some fog. And also don't get confused with the fire, I will be removing it soon, so I didn't add that part. Now let's talk about the highlights. Obviously the fire is burning and you want to have the highlight coming from the fire, so I pasted it.
Glory.
Finally I replaced the fire, now it looks good. Now camera raw filter.
Properly discombobulated in the middle of the night. Was it all some sort of bad dream? That's when I seen it in the sky.
Now I will use infinite color for color grading, and yes, I did use ICP.
Constructs of my eye. What a scene, what a sight. What does it mean?
For the pictures. So ICP, if you are watching this, sponsor me please. And now my fantastic signature. Just kidding, I'm very bad at signature. So this is it guys, I hope you enjoyed. Slap a like if you did, and for some odd reason if you are still watching my video, let me know in the comments down below. Just comment made it, so I will know that you are still watching my video, and I will see you on my next video. So for now, peace.
Lessons will get learned.